Yep.
Start it off.
Mid work. Good shit. Good.
One, one, two, two. Oh, my bad. One, two, two. I'm gonna come off. I'm gonna throw a one. Throw that one like that, and then come down with it like I'm gonna do uppercuts like this. Come down like that, and I'm gonna come off and I'm gonna hit it. And I'm gonna come back to a one. Do it slow. So 1, 3. You gotta keep it at my level. Right here. Again. So what you're doing is you hold it up and want you to move around and try and pick it. See, that's my left hand. So when you're moving this like that, I gotta find which way you move it. This is a jab, it's a hook, it's an uppercut. So you move it around, you know? This is two, it's the other hand. The one, same thing. Like that, yeah. You mix it up. It'd be pretty much just like that. Bow, bow, bow. Now one, be off. Boom, boom, boom. You just move it around once you pick them. Freestyle. One, three, four. How about that? 1, 3, 4.